Insert the meter pen. Connect the black banana plug of the AC/DC special current clamp adapter to the COM socket, and the red banana plug to the clamp socket. DC current test. When the DC current is less than 6 A, press the Rel key to reset the multimeter reading to 0. Input DC current 1 A. When the DC current is greater than 4 A, press the range key to switch to manual gear, and then press Rel to reset. Input DC voltage 9A. AC current test. Select the corresponding AC current test gear and test the AC current 1A.